Here is an overview of the course and how we are going to hack your reading speed. First of all, we'll look at the classic speed reading techniques that you see in lots of courses, and these were made famous by the world's fastest speed reader, Howard Berg, in the 90s. We're going to condense them all into just 60 seconds. Second of all, we're going to look at new technology and applications that will enhance your speed reading. In fact, they will blow your speed reading out of the water. It is based on a science called rapid serial visual presentation, and we'll be adapting that to reading. Then we're going to have a look at how your brain forms memories, because memory is all about comprehension, and as you speed read, you can lose comprehension quite easily. So we'll be covering how to maintain your comprehension while speed reading. Then we are going to hack your speed reading by changing the way you take information in. There are 2 reading methods used by top universities all around the world, and we're going to cover them, and they enable academics to process an extremely large amount of information. We're going to learn the same thing. Finally, we're going to come to the ultimate technique of super reading. It's really just a combination of all of these things to maximize your information consumption. How to take this course: you're going to need a notepad with a pen or Microsoft Word ready to type, because you will need to take notes. This is the speed we'll be moving in each lecture, tight to the point. You can pause, you can rewind, but you can't speed up a video very easily, so I'm not going to slow down. Just hit pause, take notes when you need to. Along the way, we will be doing some examinations, but they're going to be fun. And don't forget, you've got lifetime access to these lectures. They're not going anywhere, so refer back to them when you need to.